How to disable the save option on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now I can take the snap. After you take the snap, at the right corner you're gonna find different options. At the very bottom you'll find this icon, timer kind of option. Click on it. Snaps and stories set to no limit, and loop or bounce videos can be saved by friends. So over here you will find different timer options. If you set it to 1 second, the Snapchat users won't be able to save the snap. Likewise, another thing you can do is, if you want to disable the save option for a specific Snapchat user, head towards the profile of that person. Now at the top right corner you will find 3 dots, click on it. Now click on this option, chat and notification settings. Click on this option, delete chats. When should chats be set to delete? Click on after viewing. Now this person won't be able to save the chat. Well, this is how you can disable the save option on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.